So I'm going to show you how you can enable your breakout rooms. So from your profile page, I just clicked on my photo. You will go, I like to go to meetings, but you could also just jump to settings first. But meetings and then settings, it's the same either way. Once here, you have these different tabbed sections, security. There are a lot of things that you can do here. So, for example, this is also another place you can enable the waiting room, another place where, and see as it says locked by admin, that means you cannot change it. So passwords will always be required for our meetings with students. So that is something you cannot change if it's kind of that lighter blue. Things that you can change will have this either blue or gray. All right, so to enable your breakout rooms, you're going to go to In a Meeting Advanced. You can either do that by scrolling all the way down or by simply clicking In a Meeting Advanced, and it will take you to that little tab. It's the second bolded little subtitle here, Breakout Room. Click on that. This little button here says Allow hosts to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. I would click this because then you can form your own groups. So had I not had it clicked already before, I would have clicked on it and pushed to save. However, because my settings are already set, it's already been saved like this. So that's why I'm not doing it. But you know that when it's your first time and you do want to allow hosts to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling, when the save button comes on, click save. If you ever want them to be randomly assigned, you would just unclick and click save then. Okay. But because I want to make sure that I am able to assign my participants to their breakout rooms, then I will click the box and I will click save. And that is how you initially set up your breakout rooms. When you go to schedule a meeting, so I'm going to go back to meetings and schedule a meeting. At the bottom now, you're going to see meeting options, breakout room pre-assign. This means before your class even starts, before the meeting even starts, you can pre-assign the groups. So you can always click here and then you create your rooms. Let's say you want to create maybe 4 rooms. You'll create 4 rooms and then you can add participants to the breakout rooms as you go. You could also retitle this like blue group. Go back down here. So I'm going to edit that because I pushed save and got out of there. Go back down to the bottom, create rooms. So we'll have the breakout room 1, which we might want to title blue room. Breakout room 2. Click on the little pencil. We'll edit it to say red room. Add one more breakout room. Click on the little pencil. Yellow room. Okay. After we have that, I'm going to click over here. Save. Now the thing is too, this is the point where you can add participants here once you have them. You can also manage this once you get into your meeting. So right now I have 3 breakout rooms. So when I start my meeting and people join, I can assign them there and I will show you that.